Zolka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 12th question from the Digital SAT Test 1 Module 2. It's from the Bluebook app, the harder set of math questions. Number 12 reads, how many solutions does the equation 10 times quantity 15x minus 9 equal negative 15 times quantity 6 minus 10x have? Now, if you've got a good eye, you could answer this immediately. What you could also do is you could plug it into Desmos. And if you plugged it into Desmos, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It looks like you just have one line here. But notice, my cursor's in the green. If I click into the purple, then it's the same exact line, but it turns purple. Back to green when I click back in. What does that mean? It means you've got one line right on top of the other. What does that mean? That means you've got infinitely many solutions. So your correct answer is going to be C. Now, how could you do this? By looking at it? Well, if you were to distribute this here and here, what you get is 150x minus 90 equals, and then if I distribute here and here, you get negative 90 plus 150x. And if you notice, you've got the same thing on both sides, it's just in a different order. If you subtracted, let's say you subtracted 150x from both sides to solve, this would cancel, this would cancel. You'd have negative 90 equals negative 90, which is always true. And if you added the 90 to both sides, then what you'd have is 150x equals 150x, which is also always true, because if your x is 1, you got a 150 equals 150. If your x is 2, you got 300 equals 300. That's what the solution to infinitely many solutions will look like. C is your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who does not know how to identify infinitely many solutions. Remember, the number of solutions is the number of intersection points. So if it's infinitely many, you got one line on top of the other. It's as if they're intersecting at every point. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out that 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.